Today, we are talking about the AI video generation industry, how big it actually is right now, how fast it's growing, and whether there's still real opportunity left in it for you. If you have been sitting on the sidelines, wondering if you missed the window, this video is going to answer that directly. Here's what most people think. They see AI video everywhere now, on every platform, in every ad, then they assume it must already be saturated. They think the early movers already won. The market's flooded and there's nothing left to grab. But here's the thing, the belief is wrong and the numbers prove it. The AI video generation market is still such a small fraction of what it's about to become that calling it saturated right now is like calling the internet saturated in 1997. What looks crowded to you is actually just the first wave. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through the actual data on how fast this industry is growing, show you how people are already making real money from it, and explain why most people who try this still fail, which is exactly the gap that creates room for you. Quick disclaimer, before we get into it, I'm not the person who built the community I will mention later. I'm just a member inside one of the top AI video communities in the world, still learning and testing this stuff right alongside everyone else in there. Let's start with just how fast this industry is actually moving. According to multiple market research firms, the dedicated AI video generator market is expected to grow from roughly $850 to $950 million today to well over $3 billion within the next decade. That's not the kind of growth you see in a market that's slowing down. It's the kind of growth you see when an industry is still in its early expansion phase. At the same time, AI video companies like Runway, Synthesia, and Moon Valley have collectively raised hundreds of millions of dollars from investors, with billions of dollars flowing into generative AI more broadly. That kind of investment doesn't happen because people think the opportunity has already passed. It happens because some of the biggest investors in the world believe this technology is still in the early innings. So the first thing to understand is the timing. You're not late to something that's cooling off. You are early to something that's still heating up. That growth stat alone should get your attention, but it gets a lot more interesting when you actually look at the size of the market itself. Because this is the part almost nobody talks about. The global AI video generator market is currently sitting at roughly $850 to $950 million, depending on which research firm you look at. And according to reports from firms like Grandview Research and Fortune Business Insights, their market is projected to grow to well over $3 billion during the next decade. Now remember, that's just the dedicated AI video generation market. The broader content creation industry, including traditional video production, advertising, and media, is already worth hundreds of billions of dollars globally. AI video is still only a tiny fraction of the overall market. Now, compare that to the size of the overall global video and content production industry, which is measured in the hundreds of billions of dollars. AI video generation, even at its most generous estimate, is still a tiny sliver of the total pie. That's not a saturated market. That's a market that hasn't even scratched the surface of the industry it's about to replace. This is the actual math people skip when they say it's too late. They are comparing themselves to other creators they see online, not to the actual size of the opportunity. And the gap between those two things is enormous. Okay, so the market is small and growing fast, but numbers on a page don't mean anything if nobody's actually making money from it. So let's talk about that. Right now, brands are actively paying for AI-generated UGC ads, the same way they will pay a human creator, except the content is built with an AI actor or an AI twin instead. Creators are building their own AI clones, running them across dozens of ad variations, and getting paid by brands that want faster, more scalable content than traditional production can offer. This isn't a future prediction, it's already happening. Many creators and agencies are generating thousands of dollars in revenue by producing AI-powered UGC ads for businesses. And because AI dramatically reduces filming time, equipment costs, and production overhead, they are able to produce content much faster and at a fraction of the cost of traditional video shoots. This is the actual opportunity. Not AI video is cool, but brands are already paying real money for this, and most people don't know how to position themselves to get paid for it. So if the opportunity is real and the market is still early, why isn't everyone already cashing in on it? Here's the part that actually explains the gap. Most people who try AI video fail for the same handful of reasons. The content looks plastic and obviously fake. The character's face subtly changes between scenes, which instantly kills trust. They spend hours generating clips and end up with nothing usable to actually post. This is why saturated feels true, even though it isn't. There's a lot of low quality noise out there, but very few people are actually doing this at a professional, consistent level. The bar looks high because almost nobody has cleared it yet, not because there's no room left. That gap between people attempting this badly and people who actually know the system to do it properly is exactly where the real opportunity is sitting right now. Honestly, this is the exact wall I hit when I started. So I want to be upfront. I'm not selling you anything here. I ended up joining a community myself to actually fix this instead of guessing, and it's helped me enough that I think it's worth mentioning, because if you're figuring out the same problem right now, it might help you too. That's the whole reason I am bringing it up. So here's everything we covered. The industry is growing at a pace most people aren't paying attention to. The market size today is still a tiny fraction of where it's heading. Real people are already making real money from this right now, using AI UGC ads and AI twins that brands are actively paying for. And the reason it feels saturated is that most attempts are low quality, not because the room is full. The window everyone thinks already closed hasn't even fully opened yet. The people who move now, while it still feels early, are the ones who will look back on this exact moment as the easy part. If you want to actually see where I've been learning this, it's called AVB. And full transparency, I'm a member, not the owner, is currently ranked the top AI video and image course on School globally out of 250,000 communities. Inside, people are learning how to create and monetize AI influencers and UGC ads, build their own AI twin, and master character consistency so videos never look fake or inconsistent, all with a guided roadmap for complete beginners, no tech skills required. There are only a handful of spots left at $9 a month. Locked in for life before the price moves up to $50 a month once it hits its next member milestone. I'll drop the link in the description if you want to check it out for yourself. No pressure either way. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.